Agra, the city of the Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Steeped in history, this ancient city is dotted with monuments, architectural wonders, and beautifully landscaped gardens, which are remnants of the Mughal reign's majestic legacy. 1. Taj Mahal. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, the creator of the Taj Mahal, said that the beauty of the monument made the sun and the moon shed tears from their eyes. Every year, thousands of tourists from around the world make a beeline for this breathtakingly ethereal marble monument, considered by many as the most beautiful building constructed by man. The monument was built as a memorial by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan for his deceased wife, Mumtaz Mahal. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world and is a monument of pride for not just Agra but also India. 2. Agra Fort. Built by Mughal Emperor Akbar in 1565 AD, Agra Fort is a majestic sandstone built as an ode to the magnificence of the Mughal Empire. Encompassing within its 2.5-kilometer-long enclosure walls a stunning imperial city, the fortress is shaped like a crescent, its eastern wall flanked by River Yamuna. 3. Bateshwar is a temple town located 70 kilometers away from the city of Agra, and situated on the banks of River Yamuna. It is also believed to have been the birthplace of Lord Krishna's mother. 4. Sikandra, the mausoleum of Mughal Emperor Akbar. Sikandra is a red sandstone and marble tomb built by the emperor himself, and finished by his son, Jinja, in 1613. Akbar is believed to have selected the site of the tomb during his lifetime and planned the structure himself. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.